What's going on, guys? It's been a while since you last saw me. You last saw me at a mullet. Now I got a regular haircut. This is usually how I have my haircut. When you last saw me, when did you guys last see me? I think it was when I said all the stuff I've done to my truck. I think that was the last video that you guys saw me. So no, I wouldn't say a lot, but some stuff has happened to the truck that I haven't shown on YouTube. And I actually just picked something up. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but I did pick something up. It is, I picked up a horse trailer, a 4-horse trailer, Gooseneck. So I'll show you guys that in a second. But since you guys last saw me, I added a brake controller to my truck because this horse trailer needed a brake controller. So I went ahead and bought one. Super simple to install. Basically, you just buy the brake controller and then buy the wiring harness that works with your truck. And if your truck has factory tow package that comes straight from like the factory, you know, which mine did, I had to take it off and plug it into this because the wiring came out from the front of the gooseneck. But if your truck came with the stock factory tow package, there is a plug up here, and it's a blue plug. I don't know how well you guys can see. There's a bunch of wires up in here, but there's a blue plug. You basically just plug one end into the brake controller, and then the other end of that wiring harness specifically for your truck goes to that blue plug, and that is the brake controller plug, which helps control the brakes on the trailer. Adjusted a little bit. I kind of had it set way too high because I've never used a brake controller before. So I had it set a little bit high, and when I was leaving, I was testing the brakes to see if they were all working in the back. As soon as I hit the brake, those brakes over here just locked up. So I had to do a little fine tuning. I think I got it set to a good braking, how would you word that? Good brake. I think I got the trailer to brake good. I may have to tweak it just a little bit more, but it works fine for now. It got me home safe. But yeah, I got the brake controller. Also, I put a gooseneck in. This is a B&W turnover ball gooseneck. Really super simple to install. It took about 3 hours. Pretty straightforward. You know, there's not much to say about that. And I did have to take the stack out because if I turned right, that corner of the trailer would have hit the stack if I was turning right. So as you guys can see, that the exhaust is literally just right at the bed height, right at the floor, and the stack is right over here. And yeah, that's all I say about that. I'm glad no beer cans or whatever went in there, beer bottles, Corona. But yeah, this is a 1983 Westline, 3 to 4 horse trailer, depending on if you want to put a horse right here. But this is so say you're gonna put a horse right here. You got 1 divider, you got 2 divider, you got 3 divider. Wait, was that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was 4. So we just finished taking all these mats out. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash them. I need to find a water, like a water main or something to plug my pressure washer in so I can pressure wash this. And the previous owners didn't really clean it after they last used it, so there's a shit everywhere in there, and old alfalfa. But yeah, this is the trailer's got a pretty big tack room. I'm gonna have to redo a lot of these locks and stuff before I actually use it. But if I can even open this like that. But yeah, it's got a pretty big tack room. Probably gonna put like a bed or something in here. It's got 7 saddle racks, so you can fit like 7 saddles on here. It's a pretty good trailer for the price I paid for it. But yeah, you can definitely fit a bed in here. You got 3 saddle racks. You got another 4 right here. Some places to hang tack up, and then you got a big storage container right here. And it's just a pretty good trailer for you know, like I said, the price that I paid for it. It's gonna need a little bit of work, but that's nothing too serious. Just some sanding, gets rid of some of the rust, and just paint over it. Maybe fix some of the lights. Probably get all new lighting and stuff. Put some lights inside the tack room. Put some lights inside of the actual trailer. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. This was not originally in here. The owner had it somewhere, so it kind of got ruined. I guess they took it out so they can fit. I don't know what they did with it, but they had it out and it got ruined. These weren't on there either. I had to put them on when we picked up the trailer. But other than that, guys, I'm just cleaning this thing out. Finally got a gooseneck on there, finally towing. Oh my god, guys, no stack, gooseneck, tow mirrors out. Sorry guys, but sad to say, I've changed, dude. Before it was tow mirrors down, just loud ass stack, blowing coal, rolling coal, not towing anything, just being a little city boy. Yeah, a little city boy truck. I'm just kidding, guys. This has never been like a city boy truck. I just never felt like taking it off-road because of all the money I've put into it. If I had another like beater ass truck, I would definitely take that shit off-road. But with the amount of money I put into this truck and not wanting to ruin it, I know that kind of sounds, like I said, sounds like a city boy, but for the amount of money I put into this truck, it's not worth taking it off-road. And as you can, I mean, I'll go off-road. It's just not like beating the shit out of it in the creek, getting scratches and shit all over it, and going 25 miles an hour straight into a mud hole. You know, it's not anything like that. I do take it off-road, as you guys can see. It's, you know, in the field, but it's none of the like mud bogging and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, I'm rambling on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this trailer off my truck. Probably go inside, get something to eat. It's like 11 o'clock right now. I've been up. I actually started a new work schedule. I'm working like 4 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. now, so I'm working day shift. So I'm still trying to get used to that, so that's why pretty much there hasn't been any videos, because I'm trying to figure out. I'm always tired when I get home from work. But anyway, that's gonna change. We're gonna go ahead and get to videos more regularly, but I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, what I bought, because you guys haven't seen a video in a while, and I installed a B&W turnover ball hitch. Pretty simple, like I said, easy to install. Took about 3 hours by myself. That brake controller took 5 minutes, and yeah, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. So may reroute that to, you know, somewhere in the bed, like right here or something, just so it's easily plugged in right there. But yeah, guys, that is my new trailer. Leave a comment down below what you guys think I paid for this thing, depending on like what you guys see in your area, or just depending on what you guys see in this video, what you think the value is. I know what the value of this would be in California, and I actually got a pretty good deal on it compared to other trailers. It does need some work, but I'm not gonna be one to shy away from wanting to work on this, because if I fix it up, clean it up, get all new paint, it's a pretty good trailer, and I could probably triple my money from what I paid for this. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry for the lack of videos, but we're gonna get back to some more videos here on the channel. I've been posting a couple videos on my second channel, Two Dips. I've been showing you guys my mini bike build, and I have built something on that I'm going to show in a video sometime this week. And then we're going to start doing more stuff to the mini bike, because I have to take off the motor and take out the governor and repaint the bike and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see just like random videos, not random videos, but videos more kind of like personal, I wouldn't call it I don't know, I'm rambling on. Thanks you guys for watching. I'm just gonna end it here before I just keep rambling on. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Oh man, there's so much to talk about since I've been on here last, but we'll save some of that for another video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in another video. Dippin' Diesel out. Peace.